Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, I should say. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a PoshMark Norwex edition. This is a very, very good listing. Yay! This is my son off camera. A Norwex order from PoshMark. This lady has unbelievably good deals. It feels like stealing, except it's not. These I paid something like $15 each. These are some of them are, what do you call it? Retired colors. This is the kitchen cloth and towel duo. I have a bunch of them. They came in 2 boxes because I didn't realize that I hadn't put all the ones in the cart that I wanted, and so I bought them and then was like, shit, I wanted to buy more of them. So I got another order through her. These are very nice. They're hand towels. I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to, but they are lovely, and I paid way less than I would retail, and it's still new. There's another one of them. And this is the travel pack. These are fantastic as gifts. Yes, and I paid way less than retail. A car one, paid way less. I love this thing. Here, I'll show you. So you're cleaning, and then that part gets dirty. So you go like this. That. And you keep going, and then you go, it gets dirty again, and you flip it over, and now you have more sides too, so that's pretty cool. That one's car. And there we go, car. Paid way less than retail. Here's another Enviro cloth. These are one of the, I can't think of the right word, the all-purpose. This is probably going to be a gift, and this is going to be a gift for the gym members. I have ordered from Norwex, the company itself, 2 of the hand pumps that are called Forever Glass, and they're hand pumps. So this is going to be their new hand cleaner instead of the nasty stuff that was here. And no disparaging towards the old gym owner, of course. And here is another one. And you can always use more oven and grill cleaner. This, I think I paid $10 instead of $25 or $30 or something. And here are some napkins. My aunt can't find her napkins, and this has the back lock in it. So I'm giving her one of those, and the rest I'll parcel out as gifts. That's box 1, and we'll put these back in there. I paid very much less for this, and this is a not a limited edition, I don't think, but I think it's more of a seasonal item. Sugar plum is winter. So put that back in the box. And get on to box number 2, which is the second order from the same lady. Using my handy dandy thumbnail. And thank you, seller, for being recycling friendly. So these are the other ones that I bought. Also on extremely cheap sale compared to Norwex company itself, which I don't mind. I love the company, but hey, a deal is a deal. So those are 4 more, each that I paid much less than retail. So yes, the seller did a great job with, and she also gave me a discount on top of all that, so it was even cheaper. I will leave a link in the description to her closet in PoshMark. They're called closets. So I will leave it in the description, as well as her name. Yes, babe. Blue. What are you talking about, sir?
The description below.
In the description below, yes. Well, it depends on where you are. It might be in a different location depending on the device you're using. So anyways, I'm wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are, stay awesome. Thank you, seller, by the way. Stay adventurous, stay strong, and yes, Boo?
And I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yes, my young Boo, Robin, wishes everyone a Merry Christmas, and how about a Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Oh, yeah.